Mohe expressio means words and expressions. Today we will do around like 30-35 words and expressions. La voiture, this I have already told you earlier, this is the car. La voiture is the car. Second is la porte, the door. So this is pronounced as la porte. Le frigo. So this is le frigo. Le frigo means the fridge or the refrigerator. If I have to translate objects into French, then objects is known as objets, objet. Dans un avion, I think I had already told you, avion is plane. Example, if you have to say that I am in a plane, je suis dans un avion. Dans la rue. Dans la rue means in the street or road. Dans la rue. R-U-E. Number 7. What is the meaning of number 7? In the bus. Yes, in the bus. So in French, bus, B-U-S is also B-U-S, but it is not pronounced as bus. It is pronounced as bus. So it means in the bus, but in French it is pronounced as bus. Okay, you have to write in Hindi like this, bus. Je suis dans la bus, which means I am in the bus. In English, we say coffee and we say cafe. But in French, cafe means coffee and cafe also means coffee house or coffee place. Please remember that the accent we are using above E, it is Oxa Tegu. Number 10, a la piscine, a la piscine, a la piscine. It means at the pool or to the pool. Like if I say I am going to the pool, you will say a la piscine. Je vais à la piscine. Number 11, à la plage, à la plage, à la plage. It again means at the beach or to the beach. So I am going to the beach is je vais à la plage. Je vais à la plage. I am going to the beach. Number 12. Un téléphone. Un téléphone. Un téléphone. Des clés. The keys. Un agenda. Together it can be an agenda. This word is agent, agenda. A diary. Un rouge à lèvres. Un rouge à lèvres. A red lipstick. A parapluie. Parapluie is actually a masculine word. So even though it is ending with the letter E, it is a masculine word. So we will write UN and not UNE. A parapluie, an umbrella. Number 17. Quel est votre nom? A very common question. Quel est votre nom? What is your name? Quel is what? A is. Votre nom? Your name. Number 18. Quelle est votre nationalité? Quelle est votre nationalité? Quelle est votre nationalité? What is your nationality? Quelle est votre nationalité? What is your nationality? Please note, in sentence number 17, the spelling of the word quel is Quel. In sentence number 18, the spelling of the word quel is Quelle. So this spelling is, this is a masculine spelling and this is a feminine spelling. So in sentence number 17, what refers to name, which means quel is referring to nom. Nom is a masculine word, so quel will be masculine quel. In sentence number 18, what is referring to nationality? So read the French sentence. Quel is referring to nationalité, which is a feminine word ending with E. Because nationalité is a feminine word, so quel will be feminine quel, not masculine quel, but feminine quel. Double L E. Number 19, vous habitez où? Literal translation, word by word translation is you live where? But the general translation is where do you live? Vous habitez où? This is the easiest French translation. Vous habitez. This word is habiter, but when you read this word along with this word, it becomes vous habitez où? Vous habitez où? Number 20. Vent. The word 20 is vent. Vous. This word is vous. This word is avez, quel, âge. Literally, you. Ave is have. What? Age. Here, this is a masculine word, exceptional word. Therefore, it is quel. This is the literal translation. The actual translation will be, what is your age? Or how old are you? Or what is your age? Vous avez quel âge? एक्चुअली अलग अलग ही प्रोनाउंस हो रहा है हर बार, बट जैसे ये हो रहा है वो, ये हो रहा है, हाँ ये एक साथ हो रहा है, वो जावे केल आज, बट जब फास्ट बोलोगे तो ये कैलाश लगेगा. सो इट बिकॉज इट नॉट टेक अ ब्रेक, इट विल बी वो जावे कैलाश. वो जावे कैलाश, व्हाट इज योर एज, और यू हैव व्हाट एज. लिटरल ट्रांसलेशन. 21. Vous travaillez où? Where do you work? Vous means where. Travailler is work. Vous means you. Travailler is work. And où is where. So number 21 is the easiest translation of where are you working or where do you work. Is vous travaillez où? Bed is L-I-T. It is pronounced as lit. This word is pronounced as lit. T is silent. Lit. On the bed is sulali. For the time being, you can pronounce it as sur, but sur r पे ज़्यादा effort वो मत देना. हल्का र बोलना. सुर लल्ली. House is maison. If I have to say a house, then it will be une maison. Maison is a feminine word. Bedroom is chambre. Kitchen is cuisine. Bathroom, salle de bain. Bathroom, salle de bain. Pen, stylo. Pen, stylo. Not stylo, stylo. Profession, the profession. La profession. La profession. Dining room, salle à manger. Excuse me. In French, excusez-moi. Excusez-moi. 32, pardon. In French, the same word pronounced as pardon. Pardon. 33, sorry. Like I am sorry. Je suis désolé. Désolé. Sorry, désolé. If you are a female, then you will add an extra E after désolé. You will add an extra E. Désolé. 34, good, which is bon, like good morning or good day, bonjour. Bad, mal. Something is good, like food is good, you say it is good, c'est bon. C'est bon, c'est très bon. If it is bad, c'est mal. If it is very bad, c'est très mal.